Alright, I got the Gunneran water filter replacement set. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. This water filter set can be used with the Gunneran gravity-fed water system or as a replacement set for the original Berkey elements, the BB9-2 black carbon filter and the PF2 fluoride filter. It arrives with the two black filters and the two white filters. This little priming washer here that we're going to use to prime these in the sink before we install them. Just wanted to show you what you get with this, and then we're going to install it in this unit right here. So you're going to want to leave the plastic on all these filters until it comes time to use them, because you don't want to let dust and stuff collecting inside of there. We're going to take this piece right here and we're going to take this cap off on this particular one, flip it around backwards, fit this over here, put together the right spot. You can see the water soaking through the whole sides here, beading up in there. That's what we want. Get all the air pockets out of there. One side's threaded, one side isn't. We're actually going to run the water through both directions of this filter just to bleed it all out and get all the dust and stuff that was built up inside of there while they were manufacturing it. I'm going to bleed this through until the water runs clear. Okay, now that we've got them all primed, we put the caps on here, so we're going to put our black filters on through the top. So we're going to take the wing nuts off. So we're going to make sure that this ring stays on here. Stick that through there. We're going to tighten this down. When I say tighten it down, we're just going to tighten it hand tight. We're just going to keep it snug on there. This is plastic. It'll break if you over tighten it. So you just want it barely hand tight. And once we got those on, just a matter of taking the threaded side of these, putting them on here, just snug on there. And that's it. Now we're all ready to set it inside of there. All right, so now that we've got our water filters all installed on here, all you do is stick it inside of there, fill it up with water, and you're ready to go. All right, you can see I filled this up with water. It's still working its way through the system. Let's test it. There's the wide open throttle. Not bad. There we go. So if you're looking for a replacement water filter set for your gravity-fed water filter system, check out this one by Gunneran. Check it out.